this episode, I'm creating a frostbite look, creating special effects makeup. I'm starting by applying liquid latex around the nose and on the cheeks, as this is where frostbite usually appears. I'm waiting for it to dry and go clear before adding another layer on top and repeating this a few times. I want to have a few layers of latex, as this will look like the skin has cracked and created injuries. I'm placing small ripped pieces of tissue on top to add more texture, and then applying more latex on top of that to hold the tissue in place. Once this has dried, I'm using my fingers to gently pull parts of the tissue and latex up to create small holes and tears. In a cup, I've measured together equal parts of Prozac and Cavasil to create a thick paste. I'm applying this with a spatula to add texture and to resemble damaged skin. I'm going to repeat this process a couple of times to build up areas, particularly around the nose, where the injuries are more severe. Once this is dry, I then take small pieces of cotton wool and apply it to the tip of the nose. I'm using red-coloured grease paints under the eyes, around the nose and on the cheeks to make the skin look sore and tired. I'm then using a flat brush and a black grease paint on the tip of the nose, but being careful not to paint any on the latex or the tissued edge, because I want this to stay white. I'm adding black to the areas that need to look like thawed skin, so on and around the nose and on the cheeks. After the black, I'm then applying red on top, around the nose and in the middle of the blisters on the cheeks. I'm using a white face paint and a small brush to add some speckles of white onto the high points of the makeup, where the skin is still icy. With a damp sponge and a brush, I'm making the skin look icy and dry, using a product called dried salt from the Makeup Armoury. This product is a solvent-based liquid that dries and is perfect for making the actor look dehydrated or diseased. I'm adding the dried salt product to the latex areas so it looks like the skin is frozen and stiff.